Hi guys, this is my review and unboxing of the AUKEY DR02 Dual. So far so good, looks very good, very happy with it. The menu systems and button systems is very simple to use, so if you haven't got a lot of experience with dash cameras, this is a good one to start with, especially with the low price. Two connections on the top, you can see one's for the front power and one's for the rear extension for the other camera. The button on the right hand side just rotates through your screen, so you've only literally got 3 buttons to use. Plenty of movement on the lens. It's very tactile, seems very well built. Very small, the front camera. The rear camera is tiny and the footage from it is very good. I mean, it's literally like the size of an old box of matches. And plenty of movement on that lens as well. Just the one connection on the back for that. The mount for that sticks down is tiny. This is a dual USB port power supply. I get no interference on my radio whatsoever from this, whereas on the G1W range of cameras I've always had interference. Seems very well made. I know you can buy the power supplies separately as well, and they're reasonably priced. This is the rear camera cable. I thought it was the front, but it's not, it's the rear. Seems quite long. That's the front one. I had loads of extra cable for the front. You get, this gold card is your 2-year warranty card. Some 3M spur adhesive pads. You get this one out. If you turn it over, come on Danny. There we go. 24-month manufacturer warranty guarantee if registered. So you just need to register it and away you go. And this is the most detailed instruction manual I've seen in a camera. I mean, I pretty much just use G1Ws, which doesn't have good instructions at all. This is ideal for anybody who's not well up on dash cameras. I just had a little flick through if anybody wanted to zoom in and have a look at it and see what it says. It does have the option for the GPS as well, which is about £15 to £17 if I remember rightly. And it does have miles per hour or kilometres per hour options, so whichever you'd prefer to display if you want to display it. And the other advantage of using the GPS system is you don't need to worry about setting your date and time, it will do it for you. It tells you how to wire the car in, front and rear, where to position your cameras, which is important legally I suppose. Yep. And then we get to the other bits. The larger mount is for obviously for the front camera. One's got an adhesive pad on, so with the spur ones you actually have 3 sets of pads and adhesives. And that's the little one for the rear. So you've got 1 fitted and 2 spurs for each front and rear. And these little plastic things are just simply for holding your cables down. Okay, enjoy the video. And here's a close-up of the 2-year warranty through AUKEY.
Start your day the Arriva way. Download the new improved M-Ticket app and buy, receive and use your ticket all from your phone. Don't stop! Your travel update is next.
This spring, spend your money as wisely as you spend your time. Discover the Skoda Fabia with £2,000 towards your finance deposits, 5.9%.
Around Guide, the exit for Guide, that too is busy as well. If you spot out, please do call in. 01772 900 974 is the number.
Travel with ArnoldClark.com. The best deals guaranteed. Head online for details.
Rock FM.
New improved M-Ticket app and buy, receive and use your ticket all from your phone. Don't stop! Your travel update is next.
This spring, spend your money as wisely as you spend your time. Discover the Skoda Fabia with £2,000 towards your finance deposits, 5.9%
In the road, around Guide, the exit for Guide, that too is busy as well. If you spot out, please do call in. 01772 900 974 is the number.
Travel with AutoPark.com. The best deals guaranteed. Hit the like for details.
Rock FM. Preston, next to Red Scar.
Start your day the Arriva way. Download the new improved M-Ticket app and buy, receive and use your ticket all from your phone. Don't stop. Your travel update is next.
This spring, spend your money as wisely as you spend your time. Discover the Skoda Fabia with £2,000 towards your finance deposits. 5.9% APR representative.
Around Guide, the exit for Guide, that too is busy as well. If you spot out, please do call in. 01772 900 974 is the number.
Travel with